Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting real inputs so the budget reflects your life. Enter recurring income and export 3 months of transactions into one sheet. This gives trend data. Next, set columns for date, payee, category, amount, type, and notes so every row is actionable. Once done, tag each transaction with a category and standardize names to avoid duplicates. This ensures formulas later work correctly and saves time when you build summaries and reports. Now you refine and automate categorization so analysis is fast and reliable. Create a category master list and apply data validation dropdowns, then use XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP to map merchant names to categories automatically. Convert your data range into an Excel table so formulas autofill and slicers work. Add helper columns for month, week, payment method, and a recurring flag. These let you pivot and filter by timeframe or behavior. Make sure to lock lookup ranges so copying or sorting doesn't break references. Finish by turning clean data into decisions. Create pivot tables for monthly totals and category shares, then pin charts to a dashboard showing cash flow, burn rate, and savings progress. Add conditional formatting to highlight overspending and use simple formulas for projected balances. Once done, validate totals against bank statements. If figures don't match, audit with SUMIFs, isolate duplicates or uncategorized rows, and check date formats and hidden filters. If needed, trace back to the raw transaction export to resolve discrepancies quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.